RMLL Enterprise. La la di pa la la di di la, da boom pa la la di da la, boom ba dum da la di la. Sun beating down, the city's humming, but something's missing, yeah, she's coming. Home ain't feeling like a vibrant place, needs a little something, a little grace. He knows the feeling stuck in the same old rut, needs a change, a fresh look, something cut. The solution's calling, whispering in the breeze. A place to bring your interior dreams with ease, with ease. Forget the searches, the endless store-to-store. RML Enterprises is knocking at your door. RML, one-stop solution, yeah. Furnitures and more, banish all your fear. Appliances, shining decor so bright, make your home a haven, feeling right. RML, they got it all for you, from floor to ceiling, dreams coming true. She cruising online, looking for the key to unlock the potential for all the world to see. He's tired of the bland, the boring and the dull, needs a spark, a fire breaking every rule. The answer's flipping, scrolling on the screen.
Hello po, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Baliwag, Bulacan. It's a parang apartel hotel ng aking kaibigan na si Madam Presi. Ngayon po, pinaayos niya yung receiving na parang hotel type na receiving area. So, pasok po tayo. So, pagpasok mo sa kanyang apartel, makikita mo is a big chandelier, tapos overlooking, and then naglagay ako ng isang malaking mirror, console, and of course flower, and one accent chair. So this will be somehow waiting area, kasi po yung mga apartment natin is something like hotel. So ang sabi ko sa aking kaibigan, we need to have at least receiving area or waiting area. Kapag may mga bisita yung mga tenants nila, pwede silang mag-stay on the both side of the entrance natin. So the first plan before is this will be the receiving area. Pero sabi ko, from the second floor up to third floor, dito yung daanan. So dapat hindi masyadong ma-block yung main entrance natin. So I discussed with our client na yung both sides, this area and this area, will be the receiving area or waiting area. So, on the both side, naglagay po tayo ng napakalaking sofa in 100 inches length and 34 inches width. Tapos, naglagay tayo ng wall frame and dalawang lampshade on both sides. So, kapag may bisita po sila and they have something to eat or to discuss, they can pull out this center table and then they can put it here. And then they can use this one as a center table. At pagkatapos po, pwede pong ibalik dito. Actually, dalawa po yung ginagay ko side table, center table para hindi ma-block. So this way, going to one tenant's apartel, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung makikita natin sa apartel. Actually, yung titira, siya yung mag-aayos, of course. Pero if they want me to arrange their own apartel, pwede rin po. So sa mga apartel nila, ang may ipapasok lang nila is queen size bed or a double bed. And then meron lang silang lababo, and then of course meron silang CR. So wala silang area for their living room. Kaya kapag may bisita sila, they have their own common area for the living room on the both side of the apartel. So, identically, lahat po ng mga nilagay natin on the left side is makikita rin natin on the right side. Same sofa, same wall decor in abstract design, same lampshade, and of course, naglagay din po tayo ng side table slash center table. And naglagay po tayo ng pillow sa ating mga sofa. I make it sure na comfortable ang sofa na ilalagay natin kasi this will be a waiting area. Somehow, relax yung mga maghihintay kapag may mga inihintay silang tao sa loob ng kanilang mga apartment.
Got a vision burning bright, a dream space in your sight, but that gap, that missing link, makes you pause and makes you think. Where to start, who can you trust, to banish all the building dust, and bring that sparkle, make it gleam, a living, breathing, vibrant dream. Feeling lost in chaos,